Tired of cluttering your WordPress posts with author and date timestamps that just don't fit your aesthetic? Today, we're diving deep into making your WordPress content look cleaner and more focused by removing those author and date displays. We'll explore 3 effective methods, so stick around. First up, the theme customization route. Many themes offer built-in options for this. Log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Customize. Scroll through the options, looking for Post Settings, Entry Meta, or similar. You might find checkboxes or toggles to hide the author and date directly. If your theme doesn't have these options, don't worry. Plugins are your best friend. Head to Plugins, then add New. Search for Hide Author Date or Remove Post Meta. You'll find several plugins that can help you achieve this with just a few clicks. Install and activate your chosen plugin, and then check its settings for the specific controls to disable the author and date. For those comfortable with a bit more control, we can use a code snippet. This method is powerful but requires a little more attention. Go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Important: be very careful when editing theme files. It's highly recommended to create a backup first. Look for your theme's functions file or explore other template files like single or contents. And there you have it. Whether through theme settings, a handy plugin, or a carefully placed code snippet, you can effectively remove the author and date from your WordPress posts for a sleek, streamlined look. Try these methods and let us know which one works best for you.